Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the notifications and status bar, which is quite tricky because usually we will go to the battery section in order to find the battery percentage option. However, in this device we need to enter notifications and status bar. Then let's scroll and find the option battery indicator in the status bar section. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see we've got three different options. Only the battery indicator, which you've got probably applied, the percentage inside the battery icon, so the option I had previously applied, and next to the battery icon, so you can see that in this option the percentage is really visible because it is outside, so it is larger. Of course, set the option which is the most comfortable for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.